Hi! In front of me is TCL 405, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, to check one of your added passwords, click on it and enter your current login method. Now, to make your password visible, select this eye right next to it. So when I do that, as you can see, I can check my password added to Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!